Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back in the kitchen counter because we are back to using my tumbler press again. This is going to be hopefully another short video. I know I say that and then it never is, but I'm really going to shoot for short this time. This is just something fun based on a blind Pinterest challenge recently uploaded by my favorite YouTuber, Anthony Crammen. If you haven't checked him out yet, you are sorely missing out. I will link to his channel below, and I will also put his name right here. You can just search for it in YouTube. He makes things so much more fun than I do. Just put it that way. His editing skills and his humor are light years beyond mine. He recently did a craft based on something he saw on Pinterest, and if he hadn't done it, I never would have known about it because I'm not really that into Pinterest. So we are going to start with the base, which in my case requires putting a graphic on a tumbler, basically. So I've already printed it out. I've got it taped on here. I'm trying yet again another taping method just to see if I can get complete coverage. I've also reset my time here on the tumbler press so that each press will be 45 seconds long instead of 30. I'm thinking maybe that will help me get full pressing on the top and bottom rims. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how it works. I've also used some heat tape first and then some painter's tape just to see if that will hold things in more tightly. I don't know. Don't know how it's gonna work. It could set the whole thing on fire. Wouldn't that be fun? We're waiting for this to get up to 356, then I'll put the tumbler in, press it for 45 seconds, rotate it 180 degrees, press it again for another 45, let it cool down, we'll unwrap it, and then we'll move on to the next part of the project. Alrighty, time has passed. Let's see what we got. Let's put our glasses on so we can see where the ends of the tape are. Okay, good thinking. Oh my goodness, it really does cook on there well. There we go. Whew. What an ordeal. I put it on upside down. Oh no, it's supposed to be like this. Well, I don't suppose that really matters. This will just make it look even more freaky. Yes, this is upside down. The top of the cup should be here, but I'm not gonna remake it. I'm gonna go with it as it is because it's gonna work fine. Okay, we're back. So these are my eyeballs that showed up. I picked these two different colors of roses. I think, well, these are roses. They're supposed to be roses. These I'm not so sure. These may just be blue flowers. But anyway, I thought these were both pretty. They were at Walmart in the craft section. And then I got my eyeballs from Amazon. These are a little smaller than I was hoping for. They're not quite an inch, and I was hoping for something a little bigger. But honestly, you know, at this point, I don't really feel like sending them back and waiting for new ones to arrive. So I'm just gonna throw caution to the wind and we'll roll with what we've got, because that's the kind of crazy wild people we are. So I've got my glue gun heating up here. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, so really, I'm just gonna glue. And I may end up gluing the leaves or the petals to the eyeball as well. We'll see how it looks. So yeah, this is not a particularly complicated craft. And that's one of the reasons I think it's so cool. It's actually not a terribly difficult thing to do. And that makes it very appealing for those of us who are not particularly DIY adept, or what would be the other way to say that? We are DIY challenged, absolutely. I'm not sure how I'm going to arrange them later, so I don't want to cut them apart now. So I'll just keep going. I'm trying to put different colored eyes in, so we'll go with a hazel this time, I think. Oh, is that it? Am I done with this one? Okay, put those aside to dry and we'll work on these. These may be a little trickier. They don't have any nice, convenient stamens in the middle. I'm gonna put some hot glue in there. Oh, let's see. Trying to find the center. There we go. Okay, now hot glue in there. and an eyeball. Yeah. Nope, nope, nope. Not working. Not working. Not working. Oh, I made a mess of that eyeball, haven't I? I think I've got the right idea. I'm now glued to an eyeball. Hang on. There we go. See, that wasn't so bad. And then we'll push them up around it. Okay, that's a possibility. Now, another thing that occurred to me is I could actually stack these so I could get them taller. That's kind of wasteful, but I only have, let's see, one more flower, three more, 1, 2, 4 more flowers. Yeah, I can talk. Okay, so I'll put more glue in here, glue the two together. And then make a bit of a puddle in there. Try not to burn myself. There. Which one looks better? Yeah, I'm thinking the higher up eyeball looks better. So now I can see if I can stack this one. There we go. Yep, stacking them definitely looks better. It's just a little trickier. Let's do a blue one this time. So I'm going to make a stack. Some glue in there. Put my stacked eyeballs, oh, not the side, no, no, no. There we go. Down in there. Well, that's not working. Okay, and then add a little extra glue around the edges. Like I said, I won't be showing a whole lot of this. Okay, so we have a gray and a green and a blue and a brown. What are our other options? It's just the dark brown is left. So we'll do that. I'm gonna set them in our eyeball vase to firm up, and then we'll see about actually doing some arranging. So far, I absolutely love it though. Absolutely love it. What a great idea. All right, we'll be back for some sort of big finale where I show it off. Stay tuned. All righty, so after a lot of fiddling, let's see where we ended up. Oh, we're out here in my front entranceway. Look at that. What do we have here? Wow, the table's looking back. Oh, look at that. I wish I had some good spooky music to play here, because this would be a place for it. I don't. Just imagine, you sing to yourselves, guys. Sing the Monster Mash to yourselves. Or hum it. I think this turned out so cool. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait for people to come in my front door and see this. So flippin' cool. And once again, another huge thanks to the favorite YouTuber who gave me this idea. I went a little overboard with it, but can't say I don't love it, because I do. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.